Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create these smooth slow-mo videos on CapCut PC. Alright, first you are just going to add your video you like edit, and here I already have one video and I'm going to add to the track. So split the clip and select a part you want to make slow-mo. Alright, and then select this part and just going to speed, select normal or Q, but I want to select this normal, sorry, and swipe to the left for slower. And yeah, so you can see this smooth slow-mo option. You just turn on and select the option here. I'm going to select optical flow for better quality, so just that one. Okay. But it takes a long time, so you can see according to duration of the video. Just wait. Or I'm getting 6. Uh, right. Right. To done, you can see port to be so. It's smooth. You can see smooth. Yeah, so basically what I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for